to better for my customers to have another procedure that I can offer them.
I recently started a mobile detailing business and needed to get some knowledge and experience, so here I am.
I was down here in '08 for the Craftsman thing, so I brought my son down so he can get some of this knowledge.
Well, we came to the Craftsman course and we really liked it, and we got to look at what the ceramic course would be, what it would do, and this was just kind of detailing what it was going to be. You know, it showed you everything else.
You can never learn too much. I pretty much taught myself on everything that I know. So it's actually really nice to be in a group of people that do the same thing, and professionals really, people that have been doing this for years. You know, it's hard to find someone local, at least in my area, to ask questions with and actually have a first-hand experience, so definitely thought it'd be good. Plus, ceramic coating is obviously becoming more popular. I've been doing it for a little while now, and there's some things here and there that you know, I've had questions on and just wanted to make sure I'm doing right, so I figured this would be a good opportunity. Plus, it makes you look good with the certification and everything.
I just wanted to learn more about polishing, getting better at it, working on my craft, and also to learn a lot more about ceramic coatings.
Well, I wanted to ceramic coat my car, wanted to do the proper procedure, and it definitely helps to learn more.
I decided to do the Jade class because there's a lot of dealerships in my area, and I think I can spread marketing and introduce a new line of products.
Well, we found out that there was going to be a Rupes representative, and we wanted to learn how the products worked with the equipment that we had that we're using in our mobile detail business.
So I wanted to offer my clients another type of protection for their vehicle, a different service, something that would actually last them in the long run.
Well, I decided to attend the class to better myself, knowing, getting to know different products and everything. But ceramic coating was requested from customers, and I just wanted to know more about it.
Well, I was very interested in learning more about ceramic coating. I have my own business, Legendary Detailing, and our customers requested. So here I am to learn everything I can about it.
Well, this is my second time. I was here in the Craftsman class in March. Really enjoyed it, got a lot of information, was pumped up, ready to start my business, and been rolling ever since.
And I'm back for the second time, you know, to help my wife get as much information as she can, and I'm learning as well, so hopefully we can develop this to something great.
It's been excellent information, and I like the hands-on.
Excellent. I learned way more than I came here with knowing, so definitely was a success.
Oh, excellent.
I like it a lot.
Good. I mean, it's definitely a lot of information. Stuff I didn't know, stuff I did know. You know, it's nice to confirm things and then learn new things. So it's been, you know, pretty good overall.
It was great. You know, even if you think you know everything, you probably don't, and you'll learn that when, you know, after going through the course. And if you don't know anything, it's a great foundation.
Informative, hands-on is great.
Class is good. It's my second time here, and it's very beneficial, and it will boost business if you allow it to.
Oh, I enjoyed it. He gave us a lot of information, told us the rights and wrongs. Did learn quite a bit from him.
Absolutely loved it. The instructors are great. Everybody's friendly. All the other students are friendly, and learn a lot of tips and tricks and different things like that I didn't know before, and from a lot of talented and you know, different instructors and people.
I love it. The instructors they just in tune to everybody that's asking a question. They're definitely great.
Great class, very hands-on. You got a question, it'll be answered. You know, people can give you different ideas. I felt like I learned so much today, so definitely glad I came.
It's great, just like the first time. I mean, the instructors, the information, everybody is great. You can't ask for more information. I mean, you just learn a lot, and you feel prepared to tackle whatever you need to tackle in this business.
Yes, very much so. It's well worth it.
Absolutely.
Yes, sir.
Absolutely, yeah.
If they're wanting to learn exactly what we're learning, yeah.
Definitely, yep.
Absolutely.
Yes, I definitely will recommend this class to many people in my region.
Oh yes, definitely. If anybody's wanting to get into this business and learn how to operate these pieces of equipment, definitely, for sure, I would recommend it highly.
Absolutely.
Yes, I will.
Absolutely, it's a must. Anybody in the detailing needs to come, learn as much as you can. If you think you know everything, you don't, so come check it out.
To everybody, I haven't stopped recommending it since I was here in March, so I'm hoping you have more so I can come back again.